Welcome to another Beach Walk Insights with me, Chris Davidson. Again, a slightly different one as we shelter a bit inland from the after effects of Hurricane Bertha. I'd like to talk on this Beach Walk Insights about Google Analytics and the relevance to your website. We've done some really interesting measurements recently. I'd like to tell you what we found because I believe that this is going to affect your website traffic and potentially your business over the near future. So let's draw a graph. Here's the y-axis. Here's the x-axis. This is out of Google Analytics. And against here, we're going to measure traffic over time. And the total traffic coming through our website is increasing. That's great, we're doing the right thing. And the other thing we want to measure is the unique number of visitors we get. So we have these two measurements, total traffic, unique visitors. The difference between these two and why these two lines are diverging, this difference tells us the number of repeat visitors we're getting. Now, this is where it gets really interesting because we dug into this number. We went into Google Analytics to look at the number of repeat visitors and analyze where that traffic was coming from. And we're recording this video roughly in the middle of 2014. And at that time, 20% of the traffic coming to our website was coming from mobile devices, tablets, and mobile phones, 20%. And that number is increasing month on month on month. And I'd suggest to you, therefore, it's really important, in fact, I think it's vital, that your website looks really good on a mobile phone and on a tablet, as well as on a desktop computer. How can you achieve that? There are two basic technologies. You can achieve it using a responsive website, responsive technology, and responsive technology is one that dynamically reconfigures the website as the website is displayed in a different window size, whether it's on a full PC or a tablet or a mobile phone. Another way of achieving the same result is to have on the servers that host your website effectively a mobile version of the website that is served up to a mobile device. Either way, you get the same result, and I have no particular idea as to whether you should use a responsive website or have different versions on your own, different versions of your website on the server. In Active Presence, we use responsive technology. The website that you're looking at this video on is a responsive website, and that's what we use, and it works really well for us. And I'd encourage you to do exactly the same because this difference is going to increase as time goes on, and you need to be able to serve these people. You can follow us on Twitter at Chris Davidson UK, hashtag BWI, Beach Walk Insights. Been a pleasure speaking to you, and I hope the next time that we come together, we'll actually be back down on the beach and the weather will be somewhat kinder to us.